Pine Labs Plutus Smart allows you to offer two-wheeler finance via Pay Later card EMIs in less than 2 minutes. And that too on all major debit and credit cards. Wondering how? It's simple. Tap on the payment option on your Plutus Smart. Click twice on the finger icon. Tap on Browse Other Options and select Brand EMI. Insert customer's card. It could be a debit or credit card. Enter the amount being financed along with the convenience fee. This amount can be the complete cost of the vehicle or the down payment selected by the customer. Now, select the brand. Choose the model and color. Enter customer's mobile number. Select the tenure preferred by the customer, such as 18 or 24 months. Enter the invoice number. Request the customer to enter the card PIN. As soon as the PIN is entered, a charge slip gets generated and the transaction is complete. All this in less than 2 minutes. That's not all. The entire payment for the sale gets credited to your bank account on the very next day of the transaction. Pay Later EMIs have many benefits for customers too, such as low rates of interest, no documentation required, no down payment required, no hypothecation on RC, nor any additional costs associated with its cancellation. So, what are you waiting for? Offer instant Pay Later EMIs on Pine Labs Plutus Smart now. All it takes is 2 minutes.